Alright, one of my viewers asked me to look at this. It's called AGSub. It's an advanced subtitle editor. I believe a lot of fan subbers, the people that make like English subtitles for Japanese anime and stuff like that on a weekly basis. I think this is what they're using. I'm not exactly sure, but it has a lot of features, so that's what we're gonna do here. What the hell is that? There you go. This is the thing. All you gotta do is go in there and download the binary files. They do have it for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and I think even BSD, because this one is made by the BSD folks, or is under the BSD license, right? Anyways, what you want to do on Linux here is you have this binary file. Make sure you right click on it and then go to properties, and then go to permissions, allow executing. Alright, and then you can just double click on it, and that's it. You can use it now. So there's no dev files for it. So let's get to this thing here. I don't know a lot because there's more features than I'm willing to learn, because I'm not really a a fan subber. I only watch the anime. I don't really sub it. Okay. Anyways, the thing here is that if you don't have this title menu here, is because on Ubuntu, I'm just saying for people that don't have this menu, what you want to do is open up your package manager and look for app menu and remove this package. Okay, so either mark for removal or complete removal, and it'll get rid of that package, and then you can use the menus here. Okay, and that's how that works. So the first thing, let me show you some basics that I have learned, is of course import your stupid video. Okay, that's what we're doing here. Okay, videos, and then where's my stuff here? So importing the video, let me make this bigger. Alright, and you can see this is our video here. You can make it a little bit bigger if you want, let's say like 100. Right. The next thing you want to do is import the audio. Now you can import the audio from a file if it's your audio is separate from your video, but if it's from the video itself, then you say open audio from video, and it will load it here. So we'll wait a second here for it to finish. Oh yeah, another thing is that I did try this program in KDE or something, and when I try to import the audio from the video, I had an error. So let me show you what to do if you do have an error when you're doing this. Alright, now if you try to import from I guess either one of these up here, right, either the audio from the video, and it doesn't work, or it gives you an error, or you don't see this thing here, what you want to do is go to options here, the view options, and then go to audio, and then go to advanced it, and you see where's this audio player here. Try switching to a different audio source like ALSA or something like that, and it should work. That's it for that. If it doesn't work for you, then try changing the audio player. So that's it. But anyways, when you have this thing here, this is your audio track, right? And you can actually change some of these things here, like what is this one, horizontal zoom, or make the the wave file or something, the sound file, bigger. Not really necessary, but if you want to do that, you can do that. Anyways, let me try to explain some of this that I do know. The pink lines here are scene changes. I'm not sure what the blue line means. I think it's like the end of the audio section for that voice or whatever. I'm not sure. The red shit is where you start, and the orange one is where you end. So you on your mouse you have right and left click. So the right click is for the red stuff, and the orange one is the left click is for the red stuff, and the orange one is your right click. Okay, and in between this, when you play it, it'll only be for that section, right? So if I play this, it'll play up to that part, and that's where you can do your subtitles, right? Anyways, that's how that works. So let's get to the subtitle part. Right here is where you write in your subtitles. Okay. Now these files are gonna save. Well, I'll talk about that later, but let's do some subtitles. So let's say I type in, I don't know, put haha or something, and you have to put commit right here, commit suicide right here, alright, and hit commit, and then the next part it'll just go to the next scene. I mean, if you're like you know, an expert, you can actually just, you know, slide it back and forth. I'm not exactly sure how they really do it, but this is some of the basics that I do know. So you say it haha, and then the next scene, you know, you want a new timestamp here, and I don't know, hee hee, make it a little bit different, I guess, right? And I'll keep changing the scene. If you want to adjust it to a certain part, then you can do that up here with your, you know, left and mouse and right mouse click, and I'll just play for that scene, and then we'll call it right. And now if you want to play it, you see how they have like different timestamps here, right, for each scenes that it goes to. So if I play this, you see that the subtitles are right here at the bottom of the video, right there, if you can see that. And let's play this sucker. Right, I'll change the subtitles part right there, right? Anyways, that's all I know right now. So let me stop it here. And that's how you do the subtitles, alright, for different ones here. So after you do all that stuff and you want to save it, okay, you save it as and I'll save it as a AS file. I'm not kidding you, man. It says AS file here, alright. AS files are, what it says here, advanced substation alpha, or just alpha substation. Alright. It's a little bit different from the SRT files that a lot of people know about. SRT files are just you know, just the timestamp and the subtitles. The AS files is like if you compare like to Notepad to a HTML editor, right? Notepad, that's it, that's all you got. There's like no colors or nothing, you're just plain text, right? With AS files you can do like more fancy effects with it, colors, and yeah, I guess more fancy effects, like lyric stuff. I don't know what you want to call it, but that's what they can do with that, and that's why a lot of fan subbers use it, because they want to be like unique, not just like, you know, plain white text all the time. And these are soft subs, not hard subs. Hard subs are actually the subtitles that is in the freaking video, and you can't turn it off, it's there all the time. These are soft subs, so it's just an external file. Some people don't like two files, but nowadays most people use like MKVs for, especially for animes, because we don't want like two separate files, but it's still separate in the tracks though. Anyways, I'm rambling on. Some people don't even know this stuff, so that's it for this one though. If you want to do this, you just save the file, whatever name you want, right? Let's just save it on the desktop here, whatever. It's a desktop, and you save it, and now you include it with your the movie file that comes with it, and it'll play the subtitles with it. All right. If you want to learn more, don't ask me, because I'm not really a fan subber, but this is how you get to work on Linux, and that'll be it for this one.